Welcome to the second tutorial on Scratch. Now, if you viewed the last tutorial, you should have a bit of small amounts of background knowledge. Let's have a look at some other things, like the broadcast statement. So let's see. We're going to create a button. But if we look, there isn't actually a button in the sprite collection. So let's paint a new sprite. And let's just make it a rectangle, and we'll have it blue and red. And this should be nice blue and red. So we have the blue and red. You can really make it any colors you like. This is just for demonstration purposes. Now, if you make a mistake, you can press undo. So the first thing we'll need to do is create a filled red square. Now if you hold shift, it'll make you a perfect square. This is perfect for what we want. So now that we have a square, we can put a tiny blue square in it. Nice little blue. And you've got the small graphic about the button. So let's press OK. So now we have this button floating around. Let's place it somewhere. So over here we have our button, and over here we have our cat. So we renamed the button button. So what we're going to do is make this button a broadcaster. So when you click the button, this is the equivalent of pressing the button, then it'll broadcast a message. Now the broadcast is like it's speaking to all the sprites. Now it broadcasts them to all sprites, but only the sprite of the receiver, which is this thing, will be able to use it. So all we need to do is broadcast a new message, and we click new, and we'll put it press the button. In fact, let's make this pressed. You can really name it anything you like, but it's a lot better to name them sensibly, because in case you forget what to do, you might even end up with a few problems. Let's click on this cat and rename him Sweet Cat. Now we have our cat. Let's make a receiver for it. So when I receive press button, when the cat receives press button, we want it to move 500 steps. And we'll put the cat over here so he doesn't walk off the screen. So if we run this, and we click on this, the cat runs off the screen. That's because the screen's actually a bit bigger than that. So let's make this a bit like 400. So when it moves 400 steps, we press the green flag. Oh yeah, you gotta drag him back. No, Caddy, we have to put you by the tail. We start the green flag switch. And you click on this. The cat moves and still off the screen. Now, what it's doing is the button saying, "Hello, I want you to move," and the cat saying, "Okay, I'll move." So that's what it's doing. But really, someone's not going to know whether to press the button or not. So let's make a new element. Let's use the text tool. Drag this thing to edit your text. It's going to say button. Click to make. Click to make cat move. Now we can drag this, which is still a sprite. Everything's a sprite. Even this button of text is a sprite. And stop running. That's button. Stop running. I want to move it up here. And so here we've got a small program where you press the button and quite simply you have a cat running. So that is the second tutorial about broadcasting.